So hear me out. Majority of us enjoy eating fried dumplings. Crunchy on the outside, juicy and delicious on the inside. I mean, come on, what's better than that, right? Period. So out of curiosity, one day I decided, why not make something very unique? Like what, Christina? Like what? I know. Wait. Like a dumpling inspired burger. I know, I say what I say. Never been done before. Only obviously on this channel, so subscribe. So to make a dumpling from scratch, you obviously need dough. Usually the filling can be made of chicken, pork, beef, even shrimp. Okay, so for the burger patty, I decided to do pork. Okay, super easy. So I went based on a basic dumpling recipe. Pork, ground pork, you can get it at any store. I season it with ginger powder, dry chives. You can definitely use fresh chives if you want, but I think dry is better, especially when you're cooking it. And then I added garlic powder, salt, soy sauce, and the main ingredient, sesame oil. Now, if you want to add MSG, hey, no one is hating. You can definitely do that if you want to, if you have it. I don't have it, so bye. And now don't be scared, mix it all together. And this one was about a pound of pork, so it made 3 patties. I made it very thick. Next time I'll probably make it a little thinner, but yes. I put into burger patties, okay? Put it into a tray and then please place it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So let's start doing the sauce. So usually for the dipping sauce, I like to dip my dumpling into like soy sauce with garlic or yum yum sauce. So I was inspired by the yum yum sauce. So I added mayo, soy sauce, and sweet and sour sauce. I know, don't judge. And then garlic powder. Mix it all together, you're done with the sauce. I'm telling you, this is the best sauce ever. Now, usually a pork dumpling filling has cabbage in it. So it has napa cabbage. Can't find that here, obviously. So what I decided is just get a normal cabbage and shave it or slice it very thinly. I bought this one from Amazon. If you need one, link down below, get one, okay? It's a lifesaver, okay? So I want to shave that very thinly and then just leave it on the side. Make sure you keep it in the fridge because it will get dark and you don't want that, okay? So now you're done with that. Let's cook. I went ahead and cook it 6 minutes each side, medium high heat, okay? Now if you can't do medium high heat, do medium low heat, okay? Just keep an eye on it each side. Make sure it's well done, okay? Especially if you're doing pork or chicken. Now if you're doing beef, I mean, that's up to you. No judgment. No judgment. Now for the bun, I went very basic, honey. Very basic white bun bread. You can go brioche if you want to be bougie, hey, but I went basic, okay? To make a dumpling, you need a dough to form it up and then fry it or steam it. So what I did, I was like, okay, I need this in the burger. So I went ahead and just bought some wonton wrappers and just deep fry. Just deep fry one. Now if you're making 3 burgers, then deep fry 3 of them, okay? And yeah, and now let's set it up. Place the bun on the bottom, the sauce, the patty, the cabbage. Add a lot of cabbage, please. And then add the fried wonton wrapper. Add it on top. Don't put it close to the burger patty because it's gonna get saggy and you don't want a soggy wonton wrapper, please. And then add the other bun on top. And that is it. This is my pork dumpling inspired burger. Hope you guys really enjoy it. If you're gonna make it, let me know. So guys, yeah, like this video, let you know. This thing was delicious, okay? And I will definitely make it again. My mom loved it. The only thing she said that it was missing was cheese. And I'm like, Mom, there's no cheese in dumplings, so why would I add cheese? Right? Anyway, so if you guys want to make this, let me know. Like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. And the next video is going to be really cool too, okay? Peace.